Hello everyone, today I'm here again with a new question, and that is, would anyone be able to provide me with a Google Ads monthly budget plan for clients? Okay, so this is a very interesting question, and it sometimes get confusing because often whenever we get a new query and a new client, and they ask on how much money should we spend on Google Ads. Now this is a tough question, not an easy question. Okay, so let me divide it based on a few of the strategies. For instance, if it's a local service business. By local service business, I mean local service business as such as plumber, electrician, doctor, restaurant. For businesses like this, I guess it's a good idea to start with $1,000 per month and to eventually look on it. Okay, yeah. Except restaurants and except doctors, it's small fees like a plumber, electrician, or for a new service industry, even $500 per month is fine as well. Okay, anything lesser than this will not bring you any positive, any good results sales wise. So which is why I do not recommend going down below than this. So this should be your minimum amount you need to work on. So but on the contrary, in case if it's a large business, or it's also depend on what your competitors are doing on, and you may have some tools to determine how much your competitors are spending. For instance, if there is a finance niche where you have to pay CPC even on $20, and even with the quality score 10 by 10, then you cannot simply run with $2,000. You need ample of budget to run it. So it also varies from niche to niche, but since it's for small businesses, we have a plans ranging where we suggest them to go with $3,000 to $5,000 per month for small businesses. For medium, it's $5,000 to $8,000. This is our recommendations. And for large businesses, we recommend we recommend to go with $8 to $15K, and for corporate it's $15 till $50,000. And for so that is how we work on pricing. Now this may be confusing on how much still people will ask on how much they will simply ask how much profit I'm going to get. This is a very question, like you cannot confirm it because it varies on so many things. Like your quality score at the start of the campaign is different, and once the campaign is optimized it's different, and the cost once optimized is different than at the start. So because this alone factor can change your pricing, which is why, because also you also may need money for optimization as well as for testing. Okay, due to these two facts, I recommend anything lesser than $1,000 per month is going to be a waste of money. So anything even in a very less scenarios for small businesses, $2,000 less, anything less than this will not give you good results. Instead you will end up wasting your money, and you will say like Google Ads is not for me. So because there are a lot of things, you may need data, you may need optimization, you may need quality score optimization, and you may need to test out what days are working for you, what data is working for you, which is why it's very important to have some money before coming on Google Ads. If your budget is very strict and very tight, I do not simply recommend you to work on Google Ads. So I hope it answers your question, and in case if you have still any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.